Yo guys, we're doing a 370 futwiz pack opening with my brother, Clinton. Say hi. Hi. Right, first pack. 2 packs each. Diego have it. No. Should we just skip animation?
Yeah.
Yes, St. Patrick's Day card. Right. Just get this up. This is a brand new account as well, so it's just fresh. Milner. Fine. It's alright, isn't it? Who's he gonna get? Oh, it's good. It's good. Lewandowski, 93 rating. Another St. Patrick's Day card. Thiago Silva as well.
These are best packs I've ever saw. On futwiz.
Fine. Yeah, it's alright, I guess.
Germany bodies up in the party.
Yes, another St. Patrick's Day card. Fine. So what's it then? He's having new purple cards. And a... Oh, it's different. Deli Allen. It's alright.
It's a fine pack.
All new players. Van Aanholt looks like Rashford. He's got a Bible twice. But in different clubs. He's got 93 Lewandowski and 90. No. I think it's gonna be, yeah. Still on that. That's rubbish pack. Grosicki. Gertzer. Soon we might fit in a little draft each. Roberto Firmino. Kagawa, I like him, he used to play for United. Right, one last pack.
So the foot draft.
No. Had it. I think we'll open up to 30 packs. So you do 5 packs and I'll do 5 packs. And then we'll do a foot draft. If we have time, we'll have a look at our players, and if we have quite a bit of time left, then we'll open a bit more packs. Purple. Why do you keep getting that same guy? Ooh. Ooh, she's good. One more pack. Oh, Ronaldo. No. No. Oh, 2 more packs, then we'll do a draft. Melon. Keep on getting these silver implants.
They're like probably the easiest to get.
Right, so we'll get into a draft now. 17.
Hopefully we can get some good people.
Oh, really bad thing.
Gonna do it again.
4 for 3. Oh, to choose there. Might go a bit serious. Shall we do whoever can get the highest rating wins? It's not about chemistry. Yeah?
It's all right. You go by yourself.
I don't want to know what I'm saying.
Go on.
I'm sick.
Ham. Like, I'm sick.
I'm sick. Oh!
Very.
I want to get the... On the bench, you want to get the squad builder challenge. Hurricane. No way. Russia player. I'm gonna have to choose him. Why? It's Russia.
I've not even got out training.
So I can still get rain on the bench. Russia.
Do you want to get the yellow or not?
No, go on.
Yeah.
Because I bet you two best
60
yellow.
rating. Oh my, these are real bad. Hopefully it's bad for Clinton as well. Chose wrong player. Never mind.
It's fine. I normally start off with the reserves.
Yes! Squad builder showdown. Squad builder
We got two of the
challenge.
same people.
I know, but you squad. No, Clinton, you made me click the wrong guy.
What did I do?
Yeah, because you click the screen. It's anything. Muscle or what go from hand?
You can't click it with fingers.
You can.
Oh.
Where you got is blue time of this.
That's it.
And I had to put that person on. Oh, I bet it was just it.
You probably moved to the house or something.
And whoever.
He might be leaving United apparently.
The only name I might be coming United.
No?
I wasn't sure if you knew. I just said it. I was just going to say you've still not got no better keepers.
Hopefully get someone good in the reserves.
Else.
Oh, is that 87 gold? 90 gold? Surprised.
Got to get Ronaldo or something. No, this one.
Yeah,
Imagine I get Ronaldo in that.
better not do.
I did.
No,
Or not.
Yep. Ronaldo! I said
Silvers.
Ronaldo, not Silver. Right, should we put him on? No.
Hashtag silver.
Don't say that. He looks alright.
Hashtag Ronaldo.
Right, ratings 84.
William.
miles long. I'm just going to put them in random places to get higher.
Look at me. Yeah.
Ooh, it's the sound of our police. That should.
Father did it.
Right, you came to 85. Save squad. Save squad.
I did that for
Right, you know. 136. It's fine. Yeah, no, we're not doing that anyway. We're just doing about rating. Start a new draft. FIFA freeze, that's pretty good. Oh, these are rubbish. No, FIFA freeze good, it's got left wings in it. No, just have to do it. You got 2 resources. Okay. If that's going to give 14 rating already, I think. 14? Yeah. I did. Okay. Don't lie. No, don't, please. Please. He's gonna, Insignia's gonna be the next Ronaldo, I think. They're not even that good. What? Jesus Navas. Jesus Navas. Jesus Navas. You're probably already doing that then. Him because he has better skill. I should choose the other guy. Oh my god, you're looking well better than me.
What you want?
Sorry.
What you
Did I
want?
click that something? I didn't. Thought you said you're well better than me. How much rating did you get? 84? Well, you need to get Goldine or something. Alright. Just gonna be back once he's done his draft because we haven't got much time left. So I'll see you when it's done. It's been a bit laggy now, so we're gonna end the video. Peace. Right, bye guys.